Next is molecular orbital electronic configuration of N2, N2 plus, N2 minus, N2 2 minus. Please refer the syllabus. Nitrogen and oxygen, we have to find out the bond order, stability, magnetic nature of all this type of molecules, cations and anions. Therefore, the diagrammatic representation is not required, but the electronic configuration should be correctly represented. Normally 5 marks or 4 marks question. Therefore, you should know the electronic configuration, the order half-bay principle for the molecular orbital electronic configuration. That is, except for oxygen and fluorine, one is given, and the other one is given for oxygen and fluorine. The first one can be used for this nitrogen. Therefore, first write the electronic configuration order, that is half-bay principle for this molecular electronic configuration. After that, you fill the each orbital with 2 electrons. The maximum capacity of each orbital is 2, just like the other one, atomic orbitals. And wherever the orbitals which are having same energy, for example, pi 2px, pi 2py are having both same energy. Therefore, when you are filling the electron, you just fill the first one with 1 electron. After that, you don't pair this electron. You just put the next electron on pi 2py. After that, if you have more electron, you pair the pi 2px. After that, you pair that pi 2py. This is the way that you have to fill the electron. This order is more than enough to answer this type of question. And in the textbook, the diagrams are given that you can understand. That means all which are having higher energy, which are having lower energy. That's all. That only for that only that diagrammatic representation. Then nitrogen. In order to do this, let us see what are the steps to be followed. Nitrogen atomic number is 7. Therefore, 2 nitrogen atom, that means 2 nitrogen atom combine together and form a nitrogen molecule. Therefore, total 14 electron. That is the main point. This 14 electron to be filled according to the half-bay principle. That is for the first case N2. Therefore, we are going to put the electrons and count the number whether it is 14. When it is 14, please stop adding the electron and just count the superscript. From that you can find out whether it is reached 14. For example, sigma 1s, there is no need to represent greater or less in between. These are in order to show the order. This is the way that you have to fill it. When you fill it, you just write the result like this. No need of greater or less in the result. Therefore, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. That means 4 electrons are already over. Therefore, the balance is only 10 electron. You arrange the order in such a way that when the 10 electrons are there, stop adding the electron. Now, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. 2 is already gone. 4. 2 plus 2. Therefore, the balance is only 6. Next one, you have to be very careful because both are having same energy. Therefore, out of the 6 electron, you just put only 1 electron here in the pi 2px. And the next one you put in pi 2py. That means balance 4 electron. This you can, since we are having 4 electron, we can pair it. Therefore, pair the first p 2px and pi 2py. Now already all the 4 electrons are over. Balance is 2. Next orbital is sigma 2pz. Therefore, put that 2 electron there. This is the electronic configuration. In that we already studied the rule that KK means the K shell closed. You can use that notation in the result. You don't have to write sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, etc. because the first shell, K shell, is not at all taking part in any overlapping. Therefore, Kk sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, sigma 2pz2. This is the electronic configuration where Kk denotes K shell closed. Write that also. That means Kk means K shell is closed. This is the first point. For that there is 1 mark for electronic configuration. If the electronic configuration is wrong and all the other 4 answers, that is N2 bond order stability, N2 plus, N2 minus, N2 2 minus are all correct, you are not going to get any marks. That means 0 out of 5. Each one is having 1 mark, provided if all the subdivision, 3 subdivisions are correct, only you will get 1 mark. In that the bond order is correct, stability is wrong, no marks for that point. Therefore, total 5 marks in order to get. Let us see what is the steps to be followed. First one, write the heading N2, that is nitrogen molecule. Bond order, find out the bond order based on the result. You look at the result and you can write the bond order. Half into 8 means the number of bonding electron. Number of bonding electron here it is 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. That means 2 2 2 2 and 2. That is total 8 electrons. And 8 minus 2. That means non-bond, anti-bonding electron. Only anti-bonding, K shell you don't have to consider. Therefore 2, 2, 2, 2. That is 8. And anti-bonding here it is only 2. Okay. Since K close, no need to consider. Therefore 8 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 6, which is equal to 3. Therefore N2 bond order is 3. That means the second result is the positive value of bond order. That is 3 is a positive value. Therefore it is stable. And a triple bond is between the atoms. Then that also you can write. The question they are asking these 3 points. 3. All the electrons are paired, therefore it is diamagnetic. Look at all the superscript. By looking at the superscript you can write this answer. All the superscripts are 2, therefore it is diamagnetic. Now second point is N2 plus. How will you determine N2 plus? In order to find out N2 plus, the meaning is that nitrogen molecule lost 1 electron. Therefore from 14 electron minus 1. That means only 13 electron you have to account for it. From the result itself you can easily write 14 electronic configuration is this. Therefore sigma 2pz instead of 2 it becomes 1. That is the result. Instead of sigma 2pz it becomes 1. Write the result. Count the superscript. If it comes into 13, that means your electronic configuration is correct. Now write it with the K shell closed, so that for the bond order you consider only from sigma 2s to sigma star 2s to pi 2px2, pi 2py2, sigma 2pz1. Substituting the values, number of bonding electron is equal to only 7. Number of antibonding electrons remains the same, that is 2. Then the bond order is equal to 2.5. Since it is a positive value, the bond order is stable. The positive value of bond order shows that the molecule is stable. Then there is a rule that we studied. If there is any fraction number comes, the molecule is paramagnetic. Otherwise also, look at the electronic configuration. One is unpaired. Therefore, the magnetic nature is paramagnetic in nature. Now, third case, N2 minus. N2 minus means 1 electron is added. That means it becomes 15 electron. That you can, on the side you can write it is 15 electron. You have to account for 15 electron, the electronic configuration. Therefore, first electronic configuration with this 14 electron, next to that which orbital come, that is pi star 2px. That orbital will get 1 electron. Therefore, arrange the electronic configuration and write kk closed sigma 2s2 sigma star 2s2 pi 2px2 pi 2py2 sigma 2pz2. That finishes 15 electron. The last electron which is added goes to pi star 2px, which is 1. Now bond order. Bond order is that half into number of bonding electron minus number of antibonding electron, that is 8 minus 3. In 8 minus, that is 1 is added, that is pi star. That is why it becomes 3. Therefore, the bond order is 2.5. From the fraction itself, it is clearly shows that it is paramagnetic. Otherwise also, the electronic configuration, this unpaired electron shows that it is paramagnetic. Now, second point, positive value clearly shows that the molecule is stable. 3. Unpaired electron, that shows in the electronic configuration shows that the molecule is paramagnetic. Now, the last one, the fourth one, N2 minus, N2 2 minus. That means 2 electrons are added. That means total number of electrons now it is 16. Account for the 16 electron. Therefore, the problem comes is the last one pi star 2px and pi star 2py are having the same energy. Therefore, don't put the 2 electrons in pi 2px alone. You put one electron in 1 in 2p pi 2px and other one in pi 2py. Therefore, see the electronic configuration. kk closed sigma 2s2 sigma star 2s2 pi 2px2 pi 2py2 sigma 2pz pi star 2px1 pi star 2py1. And electronic configuration 1 mark. Bond order half into 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. Positive value of the bond order shows that the molecule is stable. Unpaired electron, these are the 2 unpaired electrons in the electronic configuration, clearly shows that it is paramagnetic. Arrange all the results in the tabular column for the public examination or the any examination, because the marks are given for the table and the way how it is determined. Columns like this, the species N2, N2 plus, N2 minus, N2, 2 minus. Bond order 3, 2.5, 2.5, 2. Stability, all are stable. And diamagnetic, paramagnetic, paramagnetic and paramagnetic. This is the way that you have to write.